Hi, Karen Hadler here from KarenHadler.com, independent Stampin' Up demonstrator here in New Zealand. So excited, this month I got my new ink pads, my new in-colour ink pads, and I thought, started putting them all together, putting the stickies on and everything, and I thought, gosh, I really should do this for you, just in case someone out there doesn't know where to put the stickies or even how to open their new ink pads. So I thought I will tape it so that I can share it with you. So let's flick over to the desktop and I am going to share with you the new 2021 to 2023, must be 2 years, new in colours. So exciting, just love them. So start off, we have Polished Pink. Now I'm a real pink girl. Look, you can tell I've been using the gold flake. It's all over my nails. It likes to stick to my nails. Nothing wrong with that though. The Polished Pink, which is beautiful, a beautiful, beautiful, bright, happy pink. And then we have the Evergreen, Evening Evergreen, which is a lovely deep dark green. And we have the Pale Papaya, and the Soft Succulent, which is perfect for those succulent stamp sets in the up-and-coming catalogue. There was that one in the mini catalogue, and now we're going to have more for you in the new annual catalogue, so that's super exciting. So this stamp set is, this colour is perfect for that. And Fresh Freesia, isn't that just beautiful? Just gorgeous. I just love all these colours. They are just amazing. So let me know in the comments what your favourite would be. My favourite's definitely the Polished Pink, but that's me. But let me know what your favourite colour is. They're just gorgeous. Now looking at these, in case you ever wonder what these dots are on the stamp pad, they correlate with these little risen lumps on the underneath. I suppose there'd be a more technical term for that, but I just said lumps, but there's probably a technical term, but anyway, they fit perfectly into each other so that you can stack your stamp sets really effectively and they don't move. So really, really just a little something that Stampin' Up have provided. Now, stickers. On the back side of your stamps, there are, on your ink pad, there are these stickers. Now you have some in different languages. I like to use my Pick Me tool to get this out. If you just lift up the end, you have a sticker. Now I pop my ink pads in this way when I pop them into my storage unit. So I like to put my sticker on this end so I can see it when it's stored. Now some people store their ink pads the other way. If you do that, then you would store your, you would put your sticker on that end so that you were able to see it when it was stored. But I store mine in that way, so I have it there. Now the other exciting thing is you have a blank one at the bottom, or you could use one of the others, it doesn't matter. If you're English, you can use any of those because it's the same colour or vice versa. But there is a blank one, and what I find is that blank one is perfect for putting into this little trough here at the bottom. So when you have your ink pad open, and you might have colours that are similar, then you have that right in front of you, can look and see what colour that is. Now I have seen other people use the other ones for the sides, both ends, so if you wanted to put it on the other end, you could use one of the other ones to pop at the other end. You can put them down the side, whatever works for you, just they're there for you to use, so do make the most of them. And then you can take the whole thing off at the end if you want to, not to have them on the back. Now just another quick thing, opening these, they are quite different from the old stamp pads that we had. I like to open them by just lifting up. There's a little thumb hole here. You just lift it up and then push it in. And then I pop my finger in here to pull it. Or you can push it at that end to get it going and then pull it. And then shut. Now I have seen some people, now I'm not very au fait with this, so excuse me if it doesn't happen first time, but some people I've seen, they push they push the end like that. Oh, I did get it to go, that's good. And then that lifts up as well. So whatever suits you, it does become quick and easy when you've done it for a while. But just always beware that you don't get ink on your fingers and then go off to do your project. So love to hear from you, as I say, to what favourite colour you have on these new in colours. And happy selecting and using these new in colours. Take care. Talk to you again soon. Bye.